Hi everybody. I got a box today from Amazon and I'm going to open it up and see what we got. Oh, it's an impulse sealer. Okay. Not really sure what this does or what it is, but it's pretty blue. Take it out the box. Beautiful. It looks like a giant stapler. I'm not sure what this is. But the instructions are inside, so maybe I should read that, right? Okay, and I don't have my glasses on, so I'm going to turn this over to Adam. Bye, everybody.
You need to keep your day job. What's your day job?
Okay.
Wait, now I have to adjust the camera so I can actually see. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the channel.
Oh, sorry.
She forgot. Yeah, my mom's becoming an influencer. I have an impulse sealer. I also don't know what it does, but it does look like a giant stapler, and it is a pretty blue. So, I actually do kind of know what this does. I don't know how to use it. I got this to cut Deco mesh, and it's pretty much this thing going in here. It heats up, you press down on it, and it seals the Deco mesh without me having to use a heat gun, not a heat gun, use a wood burner, which I don't like doing because then you have something that's 700 degrees sitting right next to you, and I won't have to use the rotary cutter. So I am going to read all about this and figure out how it works, and my mom is going to go home, and then I'm going to come back and
You need a tiny screwdriver, too.
a tiny screwdriver.
Yeah, look.
Does that come with it?
No.
I have some, I was about to throw away a bunch of scraps of Deco mesh, but I've got some Hobby Lobby, I've got some more metallic stuff. The only thing it doesn't cut is the jute, but I think it will cut the, grab me that piece right there, Mom. I think it will cut this, the polyester, because this is just polyester. So, we're going to see. I mean, this is already cut, but.
Those little things go right there, see? See, there's a little thing right here? Well, you can see it better over here, see? It must hook on there, because it's got that little eye.
Well, I don't know if this stays on here or not, but we're gonna figure it out, and I will be back and show you guys how it works and if it's worth.
Oh,
That's kind of graphic. I guess I should. What does it lock?
okay.
I guess I should keep the rubber band. Yeah, we're gonna figure out how it works and if it's worth the dog just chewed his foot off. If it's worth the $30-something, 34 maybe. I got it from Amazon, obviously. So I will be back. Shut up.
Bye.